Characteristics, effects and good remedies. Among the medicinal plants in the home garden, the soil is a herb that cannot be ignored with many uses in healing. Find out the information on land use for the most effective daily life. 1. Soil characteristics. The name of the land tree is Wedelia chiensis, Osbeck, Myrrhasteraceae, Asteraceae. In folklore, they also have other names such as basil, mountain goose, daisies, or mulberry. This type of plants is moist, so they often grow wild in places with high humidity, especially in the fields. With easy growth characteristics, they grow in many provinces and cities across the country. At present, people are planting more and more land for use as drugs. Get to know the land. Because it is a wild plant as well as having characteristics similar to many other plants, it is necessary to be careful to distinguish exactly so as not to be confused with other types of plants such as fake earthern and daisy. With fake soil, it is easy to identify when their flowers are light green, not yellow. The leaves of this plant are oval as well as the serrations on the outside. Chrysanthemum trees make many people confused because they have pale yellow flowers. The leaves of this plant cover a little bit of outer and shorter coat. Plant characteristics of the soil. Characteristics of the soil that they spread to a wide area with roots growing along the stem. This type of plant is tough and easy to grow, so it can catch them green all year round. About the tree trunk is green with white, hard, small hairs and grows close to each other into dust close to the ground. Leaves have no stalks with small hard hairs on both sides. Long slender heart shape with two pointed ends, opposite each other. Fresh yellow flowers, flower head shape. This type of plant can be used fresh or dried to be effective. Many people now use this plant as a daily vegetable. In winter medicine, dry to use for many remedies with many uses. Chemical composition. In the composition of the soil, there are many good substances for the body, especially the healing effects. Pressures of plants containing soluble oil 11.2%, compound fat 29.7%, phytosterol 3.75%, 1.14% carotene, chlorophyll 3.75%, 44.95% plastic, also sugar, tannin, saponin, pectin, mucin, lignin and cellulose. In the leaves there is Wedelia, both the flavonoid and the coumarin. There are no salts and inorganic substances good for the body. 2. Effect of land use. Since ancient times, this wild plant has been used very much by my father in curing everyday diseases with good effect without any side effects to health. The effect of earthing plants based on our oriental characteristics is sweet, slightly acidic, cool, have the effect of cooling heat, poisoning. Some healing effects of land use can be mentioned as 1. Cure skin diseases. With their coolness they are used for cases of skin inflammation in the joints, in the teeth, breast, swelling of the banana, swelling of the joint infection, sores, pimples, early. 2. Cure cystitis. This plant is also used to treat cystitis for good results through practical proofs. 3. Planting soil for small children. Nice soil for small children to treat gum diseases or skin diseases for young children is very good. In addition, can be used to bathe the baby to help prevent skin diseases. 4. Cure fever, sore throat, dengue fever. With the ingredients in the plant will help improve mild illnesses without using antibiotics or other substances. 5. Support treatment of bile or cancer. This herb has been proven effective through research results. 3. Medications from trees. Currently, in addition to using directly with fresh water, the soil used to get the best treatment effect needs to combine soil with other herbs to bring the best effect. Refer to some of the following remedies to apply in life. 1. Heal children. Get crumpled soil, mix bath water for children. 2. Cure high fever. Use soil 20 to 50 grams, crush, mix with drinking water, remove residue on the soles of the feet. 3. Cure dengue fever. Get fresh soil 30 grams, 20 grams honeysuckle, trident leaves, black star 20 grams, kudzu 20 grams, can use cassava leaves, flowers, starfire 16 grams, licorice soil 16 grams. Sack drink on a ladder. If the fever is high, thirsty, add the first hair root, Vasculature 20 grams. 4. Cure muscular inflammation. Banana. Using fresh soil 50 grams. Dandelion 20 grams. Honeysuckle 20 grams. 16 grams licorice soil. Take drinking water on a ladder, combined with fresh soil, crush, apply on the spot where the sore is painful. 5. Cure mammary gland inflammation. Sai soil 50 grams, dandelion 20 grams, honeysuckle 20 grams, draft 20 grams, licorice soil 16 grams. Sack drink on a ladder, 3 divided doses. 6. Cure cystitis. Get fresh soil 30 grams, dandelion 20 grams, code 20 grams, licorice soil 16 grams. Colors of drinking water on Division Day 3 times. 7. Cure acne, sores, eczema, itching. Sai soil 30 grams, honeysuckle, leaf 15 grams, carved 10 grams, 12 grams horsehead, licorice soil 16 grams. Sack drink on a ladder. It is possible to use more crushed soil, to cover up the sores as much as possible. 8. Supporting the treatment of pyloric cancer. Sai soil 30 grams, selling 30 grams limb, white caper is 30 grams. Sack drink on a ladder, 3 divided doses. 9. Prevention of measles or diphtheria. Use 15 to 30 grams dry plants, decoction form, continuous for 3 days. 10. Cure tooth inflammation. Sai soil 30 grams, legendary ginseng 10 grams, semi-border 15 grams, excellent drink. 11. Cure whooping cough, coughing up blood, high blood pressure. Use 15 to 30 grams dry plants, decoction form, continuous for 3 days. 12. Toxic rash, child left bored. Silen 6 grams, Tron tiger, processing, 3 heads, 4 grams grass, 4 grams longan, back half 4 grams, 2 grams thatch. Pour 600 milliliters of water, the remaining color is 200 milliliters, split into 3 drinks a day. 13. Treatment of hepatitis, jaundice. Take 10 grams of dry earth, 10 grams of bare earth, 5 grams of honeysuckle daily drink water. 14. Treat the flu. Use 30 grams of honeysuckle, 3 grams of marjoram, 3 grams of soil, 2 grams of longan, 3 grams spirula, 3 grams of licorice soil, 3 slices of ginger. Cook 1 cup of water twice a day. 15. Target poison, heat. Can be used to drink daily water changes to help remove toxins in the body when using earthenware to eat every day. 4. Note when using, as mentioned above, soils are easily confused with other plants, so special attention should be paid to use the right plants, to avoid causing unwanted effects when using the wrong medicine. Since this is a weldable plant, care should be taken for people with low blood pressure to avoid causing unwanted effects. For people with a history of diseases, care must be taken to consult with a doctor before using to limit the occurrence of side effects. With the information on this soil, hope to help you have enough knowledge to effectively use this plant in daily life. How to grow land. It is also very simple to plant soil. Just cut the stem into pieces 20 to 30 centimeters and then bury 2/3. Then water the wet water after 15-20 days to grow well, and 30 days old can harvest. The care is also very simple. When just maintaining the necessary moisture, they will grow very fast and fresh. Black-radiated tree characteristics, effects and harms you need to know. Black-radiated trees, also known as tidal copper trees, string plants, cypress trees, and quick-flowering flowers, are popular by good uses. The effect of black radiation is useful for cancer patients, liver diseases, stabilizing blood pressure. Proper use of this medicine will support good health, prevent common diseases. 1. Black radiant tree. Black radiation is a plant of Celastraceae family. Its scientific name is Celastrus heintzii. They were first found by George Bentham in 1851. It is known that this species is known by other names such as the cypress, the Dong dynasty, the flower of the flowers, the tree of the pillow, the genus, or the brown fruit, or the cancer tree. Muong ethnic. Black radiation belongs to woody vines, grows into clumps and is easy to grow and grow. Body wire form 3 to 10 meters long. Round branches, when young, are light gray, hairless, then brown, hairy, later green. The leaf blade is black-radiated oval inverted, usually has 7 pairs of appendages. Leaves are hairless. Leaves do not fall seasonally. Petioles are 5 to 7 millimeters long. Flowers bloom 3-5 months and fruiting month 8-12. According to Oriental medicine, the characteristics of the black radiant tree are bitter, welding, effective in treating pimples, cancer, inflammation, detoxification, reducing secretions, strengthening the immune system of body. This species has healing effects such as menstruation, diuretic, cure ulcers, cancer prevention, inflammation, cool liver, help the body eliminate toxins. 2. The effect of black radiation on health. Support for cancer treatment. The use of black radiation is known to support the treatment of incurable cancer quite effectively. Flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has an effective anti-cancer effect. Tryptanoid saponi in black radiation can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, regenerate the diseased cell structure. Treatment of liver diseases, not only helps to cool the liver, purify heat and detoxify the body, but the effect of black radiation is also shown more strongly by treating liver diseases. Studies show that the substance in black radiolum helps to reduce the severity of cirrhosis, hepatitis at any stage. The patient will sleep well, eat more deliciously, reduce the feeling of bloating, heat in the body, reduce insomnia. The effect of black radiation in cooling the liver, detoxify the body to help you eat and sleep well, stabilize the filter system, excrete, use sedative and create deep sleep. People often use dry black radiation to make tea during the day. Stabilizing blood pressure, using regular black radiant treat to help stabilize blood pressure, break down blood clots to help blood flow better to parts and organs in the body. Anti-inflammatory, treatment of inflammation. Those who are infected with sores and ulcers using black radiographs will help heal wounds. The effect of black radiation is to promote cell regeneration and tightening. People with gonorrhea can use preparations of black radiation to reduce the disease by using black radiographs. Effective treatment of steatosis. The use of decoction water from this medicinal plant every day, the condition of fatty blood or fat in the liver is greatly improved. The benefits of black radiation help reduce the accumulation of excess fat in the viscera, heal wounds on the skin. When you have a slight injury to your skin or simply from an insect's sting, the effect of black radiographs will be promoted. Simple to use in oral form, topical application can completely relieve symptoms of itching, inflammation or infection. 3. The harmful effects of black radiation should be avoided. In addition to the usefulness of black radiation to humans, it also causes unwanted effects. Improper use of black radiation also causes adverse health effects. External manifestations, feeling mild headache, abdominal pain goes beyond loose stools, rash. Internal expression, digestive disorders, bloating, indigestion, heartburn or nausea, causing infertility. Some information indicates black radiation causes infertility in women, but the evidence is incomplete and needs further testing. 4. How to use black radiation most effectively. Numerous studies have shown certain effects of black radiance in the treatment of cancer. Many people often use a combination of black leaves and stems in remedies. However, we recommend that you do not arbitrarily use it without the advice of a medical professional about how to use it, and how it is appropriate for your condition. The information is for reference only. Medications to support cancer treatment. Black radiating leaves 25 grams, black radiocarbon 50 grams, 1.5 liters water. You start boiling small fire for 15 minutes or breaking like fresh tea for 30 minutes. Use this black water to drink daily and should be used when still hot. Medications to support the treatment of liver disease. Black muscular plants, using both leaves and stems 40 grams, lettuce plants with 30 grams of herbs, 15 grams of semi-connected plants. You also make excellent colors for drinking water during the day. Users should not reuse black radioactive water overnight because it is easily rancid and will cause harm to the body. preferably during the day according to their own needs. Black radiation is a species that is not really popular because it appears in the mountains of Ho Binh, Vietnam. The use of black radiation requires the consultation of Oriental medicine experts to correct the disease at the right time. You should not use arbitrarily to avoid unfortunate consequences. Wish you always happy.